dance is called winging it. First 2 counts, a rolling count, 2 walls, a tag, which is done twice at the end of the first wall, end of the third wall, facing 6 o'clock. You start forward on your right and hit your left. Cross over, turn in left, step back in the right, rock back in the left, recover on your right. Do a full turn forward, going right, forward. You hitch up your left and cross over, prissy walks, cross your right over, and you weave to the left, side, behind, sweep your left, step behind, sweep your right into a sailor step, then step left back, sweep your right again, and do a coaster step, right coaster step, coaster step. You press forward, then you recover onto your right foot, going to step 2 half turns, and half turn, turning left. Press forward on the right this time, recover into a half turn and a quarter turn, and sway to the left and sway to the right. You can do a 1 1/4 turns here, or you don't need to turn, you can just do the quarter and ball change round. So you sway your quarter turn, then you do a full turn, ball quarter, hitch, cross rock, recover, cross to the side, cross over, hitch your right, cross, side, behind, and then you step to the left and you drag. The finishing bit is forward on your right, turning right, touch, a half turn, back and touch. This is like a sort of pencil turn. So forward, the same thing again, swivel a half turn and step back, touch. That's the end of the dance. The end of wall 1 and end of wall 3, you've got a 4 1/2 count tag. Step forward on your right, sweep, side, behind, sweep, your right, behind, side. That's the end of the tag, 4 1/2. I'll walk it through and count it. Forward on your right, that's 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Tag 1, 2 and 3, 4, and start the dance again.